everyone, welcome back. Finally, I have just come out of my sling from my shoulder operation yesterday, which means I've got just about enough movement, not too much, still can't get it up here, but just enough movement now to start editing videos and stuff comfortably without putting too much strain on it. So what I've got to do is make this next one up. So basically my friend Chris come over with his Mazda Ute, and I think it's a 1987, and basically it's just a flat deck, plain flat deck. It didn't have any sides or anything, so he wanted some sides and stuff put on it, and a little roof rack situation put on there. So I just fabbed some sides up and painted it and got everything ready. He wanted to do the wood inserts himself, so this is just a video showing the framework and everything I did. So here we go, hope you enjoy. Hi everyone, thank you for watching the video. Unfortunately, some of the video footage I couldn't find, and then some of the other files I had were corrupted, so I actually missed some parts of me fitting the hinges and painting it and doing the headboard. Yeah, for some reason I can't find them, so I've just put together everything I have got. So it's just a short video, but hopefully you guys still enjoy, and thank you for watching.